hello, today we will create our homepage. Inside this homepage we will work on our carousel and we will use also a little bit of AI. So let's start with AI. I will use AI to generate images for our carousel, and it actually was a little bit difficult to find correct tools to generate these images for my carousel. So I was going through ChatGPT and other stuff, but at the end it turns out that basically all of these applications which can generate images using AI, they ask for some kind of subscription or you just need to pay straight away. So what I found at the end was actually Canvas. So I'm using this Canvas to generate my carousel images, and I actually generated 3 images. You can see it here that I have swiper 1, swiper 2 and swiper 3. If I look in here, these are the 3 images which I ask AI to generate. And in end you still can't generate unlimited amount of images in this Canva. There's like 50 images limit, and after that you still need to pay. So I use this opportunity, these 15 images which I can generate, and these are the 3 images I generated for now. Maybe I will use a few images to generate for my thumbnails or whatever. But this is what I found, and yeah, working with Canvas is pretty straightforward and simple. You need to just create your account, then you will probably click on new project or whatever, and it will provide you this page where will be this panel with all of these choices, and you will just click on apps, and in apps you will scroll down and you will see Magic Media, which I use. So you click here and it will lead to here, and here you can actually see there is a text box. In this text box you will just write your idea and AI will generate your idea. Okay, so this was basically how I generated my 3 images. So now that I have my 3 images, I can create my carousel in React. If you remember, they also installed this swiper, so this is what I will use to create this carousel. Okay, so let's start creating our carousel, and first things first, I will need to import all of these swiper 1, 2 and 3 into my assets folder. So I will go to asset and images, and I will just paste them there. Then I will go to my carousel. I will open instructions for swiper. So this is the code I need to use. Copy this swiper here. I will make it more prettier. Then I will add this import. I will import this. And I need to replace these slides 1, 2, 3, 4 with our images. So what I will do, I will import here our images. Import image 1 from asset images, and the name was swiper 1. Let's just check. Swiper 1 JPEG. Okay, let's paste 2 more lines. This will be image 2 and image 3, and this will be image 2 and this will be image 3. Okay, now I will add inside here image tag. The source will be image 1 and it's in curly brackets, so I will need like this. Alt for this will be bike. This is for in case if this image doesn't load, so it will have a title, and this is the title you will see. And I will also add styles for this because I already have styled this carousel a little bit. So image. Okay, so I will just make it a little bit wider. I will paste 2 more. Let's remove this one and also this one, and this will be image 2 and this will be image 3. Okay, so let's save this and let's look what we have in here, but there is nothing yet because I have not added this carousel component in my home page. So I will go to home page, and inside here I will import carousel, import carousel, and it automatically provides the location for this file with capital C. Let's copy this and let's add it here. So it will be carousel. Yes, let's save it. And why nothing happened? Oh, so we can see that this is not what we expected. Why is it like this? Okay, so for now it looks okay. I just need to adjust this little bit. So I will remove space between, add slides preview 1, remove scrollable pagination and navigation. I will save this. Okay, now I want it to play automatically, so I will add in here import. I will add import swiper CSS and auto play. Now I need to also add it in here, so it will be auto play and delay 4 seconds. Okay, so let's save it and let's have a look. After 4 seconds, nothing happens. And this is because I didn't add autoplay in here. So, and I need to add it also in here. Okay, let's have a look. Now you can see that it's automatically changing after 4 seconds. Okay, so our carousel actually is done. Okay, and before I go to homepage.js, I will just quickly add div tag in here. And I will also add a class in here. And this will be container carousel. So now I will go to home.js and let's create more stuff for our homepage. So I will actually create a new div here. Inside this div we will also have 2 new divs. So one in here and div in here. There will be another div in here. Inside this div there will be p tag with some random information. So I will write lorem, and the number of words I want to this be generated. So let's say 90, and it will generate 90 words. Actually, in here there should be only a few words, so I will remove this. In this div we will have our video, so I will add video tag, and I will also import this video, so import video from assets video intro leaks dot mp4. Okay, in source I will put this video, and I will also add autoplay for this video. So autoplay, and it will be in loop. Down in other div I will have p tag, and in here I will add again some random text. So lorem and 100. Okay, so let's add class name for this. It will be container main article 1. There will be class name for this video, and it will be container main video, and there will be also class here, and it will be container main article 1 description. Let's also add class name here, and it will be container info. Okay, so let's save it, and we have our video with text and this small div block in here. Okay, so under carousel we will have also two divs, one and second. Inside first div we will have h2 tag with some kind of title. Down under title we will have p tag with some kind of text. And here comes the interesting part. So remember, we created our database in here, and we have articles. And inside these articles I will add, this will be basically our database, and I will add here my articles. So these articles will be sent to the home page, and using props I will just show them inside this block. So what we will do, we will create in our article.js file our articles. So first thing we need to do, we will need to create array of objects. So I will just write const articles equals, and in here we will have our objects. So we have object with ID 1, image I will find it later. Title. And description. Inside there will be description. For now, let's say this is description, and if I spelled it correctly, of some kind of text. Okay, and I will need to add commas in here and also in here. So now I will paste this object, I will paste it here, here and here. I will change the ID to 2, 3 and 4. Now I need to export this, so export default articles with lower r. So just to understand the difference between these objects, I will add in here 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, and this will be 4. Okay, so let's save this. I will go back to my home. I will save also this one. Then I will need to import this database articles from database articles.js. Okay, so now let's use a little bit of JavaScript in here. So I will return our articles array, so it will be articles, and I will map every article, so I will write map, and inside here there will be function which will return this block of code, and inside this block I will have div, and it didn't automatically generate. Okay, so I will have div which will consist of 2 new divs, so one div here and div inside here. Inside this div I will have image, so I'm creating actually card. For now let's leave it empty. I will have in this div h3, and down here I will have p tag. Okay, so I will value, and inside source I will have this image value this image. Inside here I will have our titles, so value dot title. Was it titles or title? It was title. Okay, and inside our description I will have our description, so value description. Let's save it, have a quick look. Okay, so everything is displayed in here. Let's style this a little bit, so I have class name in here, card, I have class name in here, image. I have a class name in here, description. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so these are our cards. You can't see an image because I didn't add image inside here. But for now we can see that everything works correctly. Okay, so if I try to kind of make this bigger, nothing changes. This is because probably I forgot to add class. So let's check. Yes. So I will need to also style this. So here will be class name container main article 2, and down here we will have class name container article 2 cards. Let's save this. If I make it bigger, okay, it's how it's supposed to look like. Cool. And I think actually this is it for our homepage for now. I will probably find some kind of text to put inside these cards and add images for these cards, and maybe later I will also change the text. This should be kind of lower, so I will take a look. But for our homepage, it looks that we are done. So in the next video we will keep to create our pages, and the bicycle page will be next. So see you in next video.